Hello, good morning students. Let us do some activities which are given in your social science textbook in my page. It is in page number 73 and it is a revision work for chapter 6 to 10. The first activity which is given in this my page in question number A is a crossword puzzle. Now, if you open page number 73, you will get one crossword puzzle like this, which is given in your social science textbook, and some clues are given and you have to write the correct answer. Let us do it. Read the clues and solve the word puzzle. Across, as you know, in a puzzle we have across and down. Across means when we write in this way, horizontal, and when we write down, you know you have to write down. Okay, so the first one is number 3, and the wettest place on the earth. We have done it in our climate chapter that Mawsyngram in Meghalaya is the wettest place. Wettest place means the most rainfall in that place in the whole world. So the wettest place in the earth is Mawsyngram, and it is in India. It is in the state of Meghalaya. Okay, so Mawsyngram. I have written the spelling. Please check the spelling. Mawsyn. Nran. Mawsyngram. Okay, Mawsyngram in Meghalaya. So you have to write in number 3 and write M capital because it's a name of a place. Coming to the next clue is question number 4. A building material made from laterite soil. As I had discussed in the chapter our soil, which building material do we get from laterite soil, children? Yes, you are correct. It is brick. Okay, so we make brick from laterite soil. B-R-I-C-K. So in each box you have to fill a letter B-R-I-C-K. Coming to the next, that is clue number 7. And you have to fill in the 7th box, where number 7 is written. An oil refinery is a dash scale industry, and you know we have done 3 type of industry: cottage industry, small scale industry, and large scale industry. So oil refinery, an oil refinery actually is a large scale industry. It's a big industry. Okay, we have shown you the pictures also. Large, L-A-R-G. So it is a large scale industry. You have to only write large because already scale industries are written. Okay. Coming to the 9th, you have to write in the box where number 9 is written, a beverage crop. Now I have discussed with you, a beverage means tea and coffee are called beverage. Okay, those which people drink, tea and coffee. So here you have to write in the number 9, that is beverage is tea, not coffee. Here you have to write tea because you see in number 9 it is given 3 boxes and already E is written. So coffee, as you know, it is a longer C-O-F-F-E-E. So here it will only be tea. Now coming to the next, that is the 10th. This animal converts dead leaves into natural fertilizer and makes the soil fertile. We have discussed that also, that you know in our soil chapter that earthworms are called farmer's friend. Because why? Because they convert the dead leaves which are in the fields or in your garden into natural, because they dig it and they make it, by digging, what happened, it becomes little fertile and it makes your soil suitable for growing crops. So that is why earthworms, we must be seeing these earthworms nowadays because it is raining, and you must have seen they dig the soil, and in this way they are called farmers' friends. So you have to write in number 10, earthworm, E-A-R-T-H-W-O-R-M, earthworm. Okay, coming to down, here you have to write down, that is we have written all across. Across is completed. Now we will write all down. So in down, the first clue is given in number 1, and that is the cultivation of fruits, flowers and and vegetables for sale in market. When we grow fruits, vegetables or flowers for selling it in the market, that is called horticulture. Yes, you all know it, we have done in our agriculture. And the spelling of horticulture, H-O-R-T-I-C-U-L-T-U-R-E, horticulture. Okay, so be careful of the spelling. Coming to the next, number 2. This machine is used to send important documents quickly. So, which machine is used? It is fax. Fax send documents very quickly, but you should have a telephone attached to it, because otherwise you cannot send. So, it is fax. Okay, F-A-X, fax. It's a means of communication. Coming to the 5th one, that is, in this season nights are shorter than days. Now, in which season do you find that the nights are shorter than days? Yes, it is summer. In summer, the nights are shorter and the days are longer. Opposite is in the case of winter. Winters, the nights are long and the days are short. So, you have to write in 5th one, summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Next is number 6, and these trains run on underground or elevated tracks in big cities. So, underground or big cities, elevated one, they are metro. Yes, the underground railways. Many cities in India, we have metro trains. So, M-E-T-R-O, M-E-T-R-O, M capital because it's the name of the kind of railways. Okay. And the last one, that is the 8th one, down. Ahmedabad is famous for dash textile industry. In our industry, we have studied that Ahmedabad, as you know, it is in Gujarat. It is famous for cotton industry. And be careful, children. Cotton spelling is C-O-T-T-O-N, not E-N. Many, I don't know, they make this mistake. They write C-O-T-T-E-N. But it is C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. So, these are your clues. First one in across, number 3 Mawsyngram, then number 4 is brick, number 7 large, number 9 tea, number 10 is earthworm. And down, number 1 horticulture, number 2 fax, number 5 summer, number 6 is metro, and number 8 is cotton. Please do it in your textbook itself with the pencil. You can fill this crossword puzzle. Thank you, children.